Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is notes placement. Our topic is notes placement. Notes are written on the lines and spaces of the staff, and the lines and spaces are counted and labeled from the bottom to the top. Example: this note is placed on the first line of the staff. This note is placed on the first space of the staff. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.